Alright, my name is Alex, and today we are going to be solving this problem here, maximum binary tree. So basically, given an array, we are to construct a binary tree with these following conditions. So the root of the maximum number, the root is the maximum number in the array, so in this case the root here is 6. And then the left subtree is the left part of the subarray, including that maximum number, and the same with the right. So the right subtree is the right subpart array with the root being the maximum number. So here the root here would be 3, because in this subarray here the max is 3, likewise 2, then 1. Okay, so it's pretty clear from the get-go that we need to break the array. So let's just make a function called breakArray. Break. So we're given a num. We're also given, okay, so num will be, so we're given a num, which is an int, given nums, which is a list of ints, and we're going to be returning 2 arrays. So alright, so you can do index is equal to nums.index num. If nums is empty, which could happen, then we're just going to return two empty arrays, because what this function is going to do, it's going to return a left array and a right array. Nums from the beginning up to index, nums index plus 1, because we're going to be skipping the maximum number. And yeah, okay, let's test this out. So we can do return self dot break array 6, and we just put in the list 3, 1, 2, 6, 0, 5. Alright, let's see what this gives us. Nice, so we broke it up correctly. Okay, and I think that's all about it with that function. Alright, so root is equal to tree node max of nums. And then we want to break the array, so left right is equal to this. So instead of these values here, we're just going to go max of nums, and here we're going to input nums. Alright, let's just make sure that all this is right, so just do return left. Yep. Okay, so now we can do root.left is equal to this stuff here, self.bam, and we are going to be inputting left. And we'll do the same with the right. And then we just return root. Oh, okay. So test case, edge cases I mean, if nums is equal to that, we're just going to return none. Okay, sweet. Yeah, let's try this out. And nice. So notice it was a bit slower, but a bit more on memory. I think because the first time I did this, I did root.pal. Yeah, it doesn't really make a huge difference to the runtime. Yeah, because we're just, when we use max of nums, we are calculating the same value again here. But yeah, other than that, that was a pretty easy problem. Anyway, thanks for watching.